Perfect. Perfect. Stuff impressive. It sees all the people on the side, which is good. It sees everything. It used to show me cones too. I used to be able to see cones on this display. I think since then they had turned off that display part of it. Okay, let's see what it wants to do here. Yeah, Wawa will be up here on the right. Let's see what it does. Cut that corner a little close. Let's see what it does. It's kind of a weird Wawa situation, but it looks like it's just going to take me right again to the left. I mean, very well done. Just put this like this.